Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Man Challenges Officer in the Roadway Gets Karma.
An officer with the Missouri State Patrol conducted a traffic stop on a speeding driver. He'll be surprised by what happens next.
Get up here. Go. You. Come on. Get up here. You. Come on. Come on. Come up here. First of all, you're blocking traffic right now.
Did you not tell us to get over? What do you mean, first of all? What's your attitude?
You're blocking the right lane.
Attitude? Did you not want me to pull over?
You're not pulled over. You are blocking the lane of traffic.
What you want me to do?
Pull over in front of my car.
God damn you, man. I'm pulling over right.
932 Walden.
Hey, can I get out of my vehicle?
Northbound 61. North of route U. Start me another unit. I got one.
What you pulling me over for?
Get over here. Get out of traffic. Get out of traffic.
No, you stop me.
Get out of traffic.
Fuck the traffic. What you pulling me
You're gonna
over
get hit
for?
by a car.
Are you certified to do traffic control? I am. I see you out here.
Get out of traffic now.
Oh.
Get out of traffic. Step over here.
It's so fine. Let me get my fuck.
Hey, his ass stepped over, didn't he? His ass stepped over, didn't he? Okay. Yeah, you gonna comply today, motherfucker. You got the right one.
Get out of traffic.
No, you stop me.
Get out of traffic.
Fuck the traffic. What you pulling me
You're gonna
over
get hit
for?
by a car.
Are you certified to do traffic control? I am. I see you out here.
Get out of traffic now.
Oh.
Yeah, we do pain compliance too over here, boy.
Get out of traffic. Step over here.
It's your fine. Let me get my fucking phone now. You gonna tase me for that?
I want you out of traffic.
Get your fucking supervisor. Don't touch me.
Get out of traffic.
Don't touch me.
I just want you out of traffic.
Goddamn, hey. Get somebody.
Get out of traffic.
Motherfucker's gonna tase me for standing here.
932 Walden. Put your hands behind your back.
Goddamn, look.
Just put your hands behind your back.
Why are you touching me now? Why is he fucking doing this?
Because you're not listening.
Why is he doing it? I don't have to listen. Goddamn you motherfucker.
What is going on?
Why'd you pull me over, you cocksucker?
For
Tell me
speed.
that.
For
You
speed.
didn't pull me over for fucking speed.
Yes, I did.
Okay, what you talk me at? Mr. Wait, so you're gonna half come me for
Turn
speed?
around.
Why do you use force?
Because you're not listening.
God damn it, I don't have to fucking comply on a traffic
wrong?
stop. Why are you doing this? You're using force, man.
Stop.
Why are you using force? Okay, I'm missing half an arm. You're touching my goddamn arm. I'm missing half my arm. Tell him to get off my
What's
fucking
going
arm.
on?
Why are you doing this? Goddamn, my arm hurts. Stop touching my arm.
Just relax.
I can't get off my arm. My fucking nerves are exposed, man.
What are you
dumb
talking
motherfucker.
about?
I'm gonna shut up. Cuff me.
Yeah, if you would just stop pulling away.
You're fucking stupid. Cuff me, you dumb motherfucker. Write my goddamn ticket. Let me. Oh, so you couldn't even cuff me right, but you got no problem squeezing my arm.
Yes, you are not being compliant.
Stop. I don't have to fucking comply.
Yes, you do comply. Have to comply on a traffic.
So what? So you what? You want me to shut up and be subject to your shit?
I just want to explain why I stopped you.
So explain it to me, but I gotta be bent over. Oh, so you can't explain it to me without this, huh?
You want to go to jail today?
I don't want to talk to you no more. Can you let go of my right arm, please? I have a hole in my arm. My nerves are exposed.
You need to calm down.
This is a traffic stop. You're using force on me. Why would I calm down?
Because you're not
You're
listening.
using traffic. I don't have to listen. Why are you using force on me when it's
Because you are
traffic?
not being compliant. You need to calm down.
Big Talk told him he ain't gotta comply.
How this works?
How what
Twisting my
works?
arm up. Look, you got my arm all fucked up. It hurts. This is my money maker. Look at this. Look what you're doing to my goddamn arm.
Trying to
man.
adjust the restraints.
You're fucking idiot. Did you not take a class on doing this shit?
Well, if you stop moving around,
You're so
relax.
full of shit, dude. You told me you got ignorant when you say I want to talk to you. What do you want to talk to me about this? What's your name there, buddy? That you want to
Well,
talk
if
to
you
me
stop
about
talking,
that
I'll explain. I'm Trooper Wade. I work for the Missouri State Highway Patrol. I stopped you for your speed. Did you not see me? You drove past me and then sped up to 78, passing traffic on the left and right.
for? Can you let go of my wrist? So you're using physical force because
To get you out of the roadway, yes.
But
put you in restraints because you're not listening. We're on the roadway. You're blocking traffic. You didn't even pull over on the right shoulder. You blocked the right lane. You understand that?
No, I
That's
don't.
why I put you over here.
I'm certified for traffic control. It doesn't say anywhere you have the right to physically do this to me.
To what?
You think you do?
To what? Get you out of the road?
Threaten me with a taser? Is your body camera on, bud?
Yes.
Because we're going to want to see this later, Wade. I think you really escalated this quite a bit.
We're standing in traffic. Traffic was backed up to a hill crest. I need.
Yeah, we definitely gonna see this later. We definitely gonna see this later, and you're gonna be on YouTube forever. You know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. So, you know, your family, you know, all of that, they could come check out Body Cam Files. You know what I'm saying? They could come check me out, you know, and whoever else decides to put your body cam up.
Need you out of the road.
I pulled over and I got out of my vehicle.
Step up here. Can you grab his? Well, never mind. Would you stop kicking your phone?
What other orders do you want to give me, bud?
I asked
you want to slam me down? What's your problem here?
I'm asking you to
Why
stop
are we going
damaging-
anywhere? What are we
I'm
doing?
going to seat you in my car so we can talk.
I don't want to be in your car. I don't want to talk to you.
Well, then you're going to stand up here. I have stuff I have to do.
The difference between my property and your property. So I'm subject to you and all this shit for what reason?
Step up here.
And you're going to use physical fucking force on me right now, right?
No, I'm not.
You haven't? I'm being.
No,
don't
I'm
touch
telling
my.
you.
Don't touch my elbow, man. I'm
Will you
trying to
stand-
tell you.
can you stand out?
You're touching my arm.
Can you
I
stand
made
out
it
here for
very
just a
fucking
minute?
clear. I'm missing half my arm, but you use force. You see my wrist? This is how I make my money. But
Okay.
you use force. When I tried to look at you, you said you want to talk to me like a man. You bent me over like
Hey,
a punk.
can you get another unit for transport? So, what is going on with you today?
You pulled me over. You start using force on me, Wade. You tell me what's going on.
You know you're standing in the middle of 61,
I'm not
right?
talking to you. I'm traffic control. I'm certified in it. Yeah.
I don't know what that means.
I know because you're not certified.
What do you
have
mean?
no
you,
idea.
You aren't doing
What means
anything
is
today.
shooting?
Stop stepping up on me.
I'm not. You don't.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
You're trying to escalate things right now. That's what you're
Here's
doing.
I'll sit down. No, I won't.
You are trying to
Put me in
escalate
the back
things.
of the car. You have. Sir, is this
No.
recorded? You've done all you could to grab me, physically do shit. For traffic, you jumped out of your car, you started waving like a madman. I'm certified in traffic control. You're not wearing high vis, you're not doing anything. You should be on the highway.
You have a second unit coming that's going to transport. So,
So I'm being arrested for what?
are you the person that this vehicle is registered
Oh, yeah.
to?
It's mine 100%.
Okay.
Insured and everything.
Good. I don't need your ID then.
Okay.
I'll just run the information on the plate.
Okay.
I'll find out who you are.
And this is for traffic, right?
Again. Yes, that's why I stopped you.
Okay.
78 and a 60.
Okay.
Then when you stopped, you were blocking the right lane, and then you were standing in the highway, and you wouldn't get out of the roadway.
So you pulled your taser on me and then started using
In an
force.
effort to gain compliance from you, yes, I did.
Hey, compliance or violence is your turn.
No. I asked you to step out of the
didn't
roadway.
explain
You
it.
didn't.
Watch your video later. Please watch the video later and you'll see you didn't give anybody enough time to
I told
understand
you-
what you're
I
doing.
told you to get out of the
with
road.
Your signals. I
Okay,
couldn't
that's
hear
what I
you
told
say
you.
that.
So, just do me a favor, cooperate with her, stay over here. I'm gonna start processing this, okay? Do not get in the road. So got up behind him. He got in the left lane, still speeding at 74. I light him up. He slams on the brakes after he realizes I'm pulling him over. Almost causes a crash. He didn't pull over on the right shoulder. He's still blocking the right lane. So I had to get over up here. He's behind me, and I'm waving him up, trying to get him to come up here.
Okay.
He says he's not doing that, floors it, almost rear ends the car, gets out in the right lane of traffic, refused to get out of the right lane of traffic, so I pulled my taser out and I said, get out of traffic. He steps over partially onto the right shoulder, wouldn't move, so I grabbed him, put him over here, he starts pulling away.
Hey, you guys see that
All that.
back there? See that here? I'm not talking to you right now.
But anyways,
Who hurt you? Who hurt you? This man,
Are your feelings hurt? Is that what it is?
this man physically hurt me.
Yeah, because you failed to comply with the lawful order. Yeah, if he tells you to do something, you're supposed to do it.
You're trying to find us.
that's it.
Ask what he wants done with his car. You can either go
Something bugs in my vehicle. I don't need to have them.
What do you want done with your vehicle?
What do you want to do with it?
Whatever you want to do with it. You want to leave it to the roadside or you want it to be towed?
I can have AAA come get it right now.
AAA? I mean,
Have my wife come get it right now. She's 5 miles down the road.
you can have your wife come get it if you want. It's on the right shoulder now.
If it was me, I'd just leave it there.
You understand why you're going to
Look at that. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the change in attitude. Wow. What happened? All the hooting and hollering. Wow, such a change in attitude, man. Look at this. I can have, they're talking like they're buds. Yeah. Well, I can have my wife come get it right now, you know? Yeah. Okay. But before you was just big barking, all of that, you the toughest guy. It's always the loudest ones in the room, man. Always, man. Always. Gotta be the toughest guys, right? Got his ass together.
You failed to comply with the lawful order. If he tells you to do something, you're supposed to do it.
You're trying to find us. That's it.
Ask when he comes down with his car. You can either go
Are there bugs in my vehicle? I don't need to have them.
What do you want done with your vehicle?
What do you want to do with it?
Whatever you want to do with it. You want
What
to
do
leave
you
it
wanna
outside
do
or
with
you want
it?
it to be towed?
I can have AAA come get it right now.
AAA? I mean,
Yeah, my wife come get it right now. She's 5 miles down the road.
you can have your wife come get it if you want. It's on the right shoulder now.
It was me. I just leave it there.
You understand why you're going to jail?
For you want to exercise your rights. over me.
Exercise? No, that's not a law. Resisting. Okay? When I give you a lawful command,
What did I resist?
and I tell you to get out of the roadway,
That's bullshit, dude.
and then when I put my hands on you and you pull away from me, that's resisting. So you're under arrest for
Grab the part of my
resisting.
arm I didn't want you to grab. And listen, wait, I don't care.
Okay.
Take me to
Tow
jail.
the car.
you
Tow
don't
the
care.
car then.
This is a traffic stop. That's speeding. You escalate. If I lose my job and all that shit, you did a great job trying
Okay.
to prove to me a lesson, bud. You did a great job. Remember when
Yeah.
you bent me over and twisted my fingers up? I just want to talk to
That
you.
was when you were resisting.
I don't
So
wanna
yes, I do
fucking talk
remember
to you.
all of that.
So
Yeah.
you take me to jail. We're done talking, asshole.
Have a good day.
Oh,
The
wow.
man was charged with resisting arrest. Full case details are not available for this incident.
Oh, well, if that's the case, he still got the attitude. Okay. Shit. I gave you the option before to let wifey come get it. Now the option's off the table. Now I was getting told. You ain't learning. You ain't learning. You want to do whatever you want to do? Okay. All right. You got it. You got it. All right. That's what I would do. Anyway, I get officers, man. You know, they did pretty good. They did pretty good. So I give them 4 out of 5, only because I would tow that car. Facts. That option is off the table now. You don't care? Okay, well, I don't care. We'll tow it. You can pay the tow bill. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.